car.
What's going on now, Shafao?
So we're waiting on Jody to get her ass here so we can lift up out of Portmore.
So you want to say what you're doing again so that we can...
So guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about... Can I just do the intro? Da! Hey guys, Chef Sassy here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is gonna... This video is going to be a little bit unique because I've been having a little chat and crab, so I would call it a mukbang. Yeah, I would call it a mukbang. It's a seafood mukbang. I was actually supposed to be here in Portmore collecting crab right now from my crab lady, but the lady don't have no crab. We're gonna try and go to this place called this bowling place in Kemlani Mart in Mana Center. So that's where we're gonna go right now. Lamoya was gonna get her. Yeah, try for make them to say I look sick without my lashes. That's what you're trying to do. So Tamika, he's here behind the camera. Hey. Yeah, you're trying to look nice now. She always look nice. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, guys. It's going to be with me and my friends. So what, you know, in the camera with me? Yeah, smell my arm, you smell back.
You smell like Shafao.
Is that how bad?
No.
Okay, just check. Yeah, so we're gonna talk about man, we're gonna talk about God, we're gonna talk about, you know, our relationship with the Lord, because we're all Christians. And yeah, we're just gonna do the damn thing, talk about unorthodox
Jody a Christian?
Yeah.
I don't know. Lamoya Christian?
What?
Lamoya Christian?
Lamoya is a Christian. We're all Christians. We misbehave when we're not supposed to be misbehaving. Yeah, so I'm just putting it.
I don't misbehave. I'm a good girl.
Yes, because she's married, she don't have to misbehave, right? So that's all I'm gonna say right there. That's all I'm gonna say right there. I'm looking rough right now, but yeah, don't mind that. You know, I'm gonna come out and all these things. When I do my lash, I'm gonna go. Today is Saturday. I'm gonna be doing my lashes on Monday. I don't know. I will never just postpone it because my lash do, but that would be very selfish of me, and I'm not selfish, so that would not happen.
What was that, Tamika? I mean, you know, I agree with you.
You are such a bitch.
I mean, you're saying to me that you're not selfish, but we're talking about Shafao, right?
So I'm selfish.
Yeah.
I'm a selfish girl.
You know, I think you would postpone it. It's just that it's not convenient. That's why you don't postpone it. That's what I think.
That's not true.
Okay, back on you.
Those are the lies that my friends tell.
Look on my good. Where my glasses?
Full of lies. See, like
I don't
see, like the mark on your shirt.
You're wicked.
Like, y'all.
No, women like me don't tell lies.
What is so? What?
Mothers and wives don't tell lies.
Well, well then. I don't know what to say about that. I guess I'm a wife already then. That's what it is.
Yes, you're man. You're
I'm
wife before he finds you. Absolutely.
Man. Yes, I was doing my first bride for the new year, and one of the mothers said, she was like, "Are you married?" I said, "No." She's like, "In 3 years time."
Oh, that's what I want to say. It's probably a spirit husband, but you know.
Which spirit husband? Girl, bye. Man, I want physical. I want physical husband.
I was not expecting that.
Sister Carol, come for your daughter.
I don't know. You know, I'm not really looking forward to sex. No, like I'm not really looking forward to like a whole heap fight to just done my punani. I'm not looking forward to it. Don't look in my eyes.
Me are dead.
I'm not looking forward to it, man. It's sex painful enough. You see you virgins out there, keep on a pump to yourself.
Did you say sex painful? What kind of sex have you been having? You know?
I'm so damn confused.
Christian don't have, you know.
What do you mean?
Well, I don't know any Christian that have.
But how can you say sex is painful?
I was just being dramatic. Sex can be nice.
Can be nice.
I'm just gonna leave that there in hot. Turn on the AC. Sex can be painful.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know.
Why the camera only upon me?
Because are you a talk?
No, girl.
I don't.
Fill up on both are we?
I think sex is amazing, and I don't know about painful. If it's painful, it's because it's rough. And then if it's rough,
You like it rough? I don't like it rough. Dear future, let me just treat this camera. I don't like it rough.
I mean, not rough all the time, but you know, you want him to slap and you know what I mean?
I remember I
You
had
just
an
wanna be like,
ex-boyfriend who
you
used
wanna
to slap,
vibrate.
and I just
Maybe his hands were heavy. Maybe he was.
and
slapping
you know,
to
to
hurt
him
you.
it never at.
No, because he must slap
Him not let go the whole time wait.
No, he's slapping you to hurt you. You want a guy who slap your bottom to just have it shake, like a
Yeah,
slight.
that was what he was trying to get across. Yeah.
Anyway, moving on.
So how is married life?
Marriage.
In Christendom. Oh, Jody's here.
I wasn't married before Christendom, so like I don't really know. I think I was. Hi, Jody.
Hello.
You're looking nice.
Thank you.
What's that? Is that?
You come with food?
It's
Give me some juice.
No, it's ice
So
alone.
ask the guy for body juice and you want some. Body juice?
What? Excuse me?
I'm ready to go.
Let's just ice alone in the cup.
Oh, she finished it.
I don't drink body juice.
Woo!
You drink body juice?
No, I don't.
I know you might talk to my audience.
No answer her. That's not
But at least we know that she don't drink body juice. Anyways. You know, we're having all these juicy conversations when it should be just waiting until we reach.
So pause it. Or you want to put the camera there so we can drive on songs?
Yeah, we can do that, but it take a shit like a bit.
Tip, waiting in the day now.
What?
Get juice or something, I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty too. Oh, you're thirsty. Anyway.
You just have somebody juice.
No, I didn't.
Not today. That's why she's thirsty. That's why the best she's thirsty. I want to have your WhatsApp number. You heard Josie here?
Oh, you don't
Hey,
have my
we can go get something for drink.
See a tip somewhere there where we can go.
Oh my god, my thirsty bad.
Just go get the
no
crab,
one knows
please.
say I the same long ear. Yes.
And you cut it.
Really?
Yeah,
It
we'll
looks
go back
really
and wash
good.
it, and the girl cut it and all these things.
It
She
looks
always
nice.
sort me out.
It looks
Cute.
really, really nice. It looks like a fresh do.
Yeah, it does.
Yes.
That's what I like about braids. You can just cut it and it look like it just do.
I'm
No, you
kind
have
of
to
cold.
comb it back and things.
Yeah, in your
But,
corner.
you cut?
Really? You cut it in a one style?
No, just
Nice.
regular bob cut.
Yeah, but the butt layered.
It's nice.
Quite.
You don't like girl, yeah? No, girl, come show the camera your ear.
Yo, we may get girl love about it. So.
It's nice.
And this the guys from before. Yeah, from December.
So show the ear cut, the girl.
I like your lashes.
Sure.
They look so natural. I want to
And then, oh my
God!
Are you doing
my good friend, so sassy. Yes, she did my lashes. And guys, these are like 7 weeks old.
Really?
Yeah, them do from before you leave.
But feel like a way.
But they meet them.
Don't worry, girl, make a start.
No, because them you look really nice and natural.
Yeah, girl.
And them done.
Your own do before. Your own do before.
My wonder before.
Yeah, and fear all look full and natural.
You have more than me. No, look on that. But you have more lash deep than me.
No, but it looks so natural. It's lovely.
Tamika like when
I'm
Fair
gonna
Lash
buy
them
something to drink.
drop out and look like she hungry.
No, it just look like it real. That's what people do when they host up for you, know, drive.
So if me say to you, Tamika, oh my pum pum, I go want
Why you doing this gay comment? Shafawa, you
I'm not gay.
profess that you're a Christian. Be holy.
I am holy.
There's no way you can give me a pum pum for all. He's not a man.
First of all, I would not want to give you my vagina to hold.
You shouldn't give anybody your vagina to hold. That's stupid.
That's very true.
You do everything you ever
Because it's very
thought to do.
sensitive.
But I didn't get to do it because it's not your
I
vagina.
want a man go.
Right, that's arm too.
Show me see. What a friend you are. Smash sugar this suitcase. It's suitcase. You see, babe. I'm gonna buy this.
Whenever somebody say them thirsty yet, I'm buy a beer.
That is so true. Just that. Mika, if I come and drive my back seat.
Okay.
I believe I buy them. Should I buy one water? But Tuna said, "Chop."
That's some buy something cool and refreshing.
Yeah, that was a smart move.
I'm hella thirsty.
You want fight?
Why would it?
Why
Why would you want to fight for something like that?
Because I feel offended.
Yeah, well, it's just the truth.
Yeah, when you feel it.
Jody can give me some of your juice. You just...
No, sir. No, not just one. I thought about it, but no, I changed my mind.
I know, wrong, girl.
That's true. Yeah. I never want to. Thank you, my friend, Jody.
You are most welcome, my friend.
Shower.
Right to me, not wrong. What is similar for you?
So, encounter.
Was that legal?
You have taxi money, huh?
Afraid of them, you know?
Oh my god.
Have you ever had a friend that drove like a taxi man?
Yes, Shafawa.
Wow! Like,
absolutely.
Taxi driver.
do you know a friend that drives like a taxi man?
I was looking at you.
Shafawa, would I do something like that?
No, that's not true.
But please, not when I'm in the car. I have people to live with.
Oh, I told me I'm married.
I'm the picnic.
It's alright. So find my man one. My man so find me one.
I'm sure he is already
I like how you corrected yourself.
Who you think it is, Tamika?
I don't know.
So why you say it like that, like you know who it is?
Did
Did you receive a prophecy from the Lord? And withholding it from me? That would be very selfish.
You know something that it's not everything that you know is the right time to say.
I knew you'd say something like that, Tamika.
Oh.
Can you imagine if somebody prophesied to you, say, somebody, your husband, and somebody way they despise you?
Just even that thought in itself has my mind warped because I'm always wondering, like, does God do things like that? But
it might be working for your good.
You're going to change, you're going to eventually start loving him if I'm your husband.
I don't really know what I'm saying.
I don't know.
But here's what I use. I always have people to, whatever a prophetic word is, check and see if there's any reference in the Bible. The only verse I can ever think of, and I said this at the thing the last time, was I don't know anyone in the Bible who can put two people together. That's why I don't always trust people that prophesy to people to be together.
Yeah.
Because when I check it, God doesn't really do that. So the only reference we have was with Hosea, where the Lord told him to marry a prostitute specifically to show the people of Israel, like, hey, this is you and me. I'm the prophet and you're a whore.
Yes.
So it was like a reference, an analogy to show them the type of people they were and how wretched they were. And then when they look on Hosea, they're like, how could you marry a woman like this? That's exactly what God did. Though you're unfaithful, I married you. And though you're unfaithful, I've dressed you in nice robes and garments and called you a queen and called you my bride. But you're a whore. But outside of that, you don't really know where God specifically says, man, this is your wife. You know because things kind of line up and you're like, well, if this man is a man of God and things line up this way, clearly God has a role in it. But not so much to say, man, behold your wife. You know what I mean? Because with Adam and Eve, it wasn't like, man, behold your wife. Adam woke up and like, ooh, where's this trick come from? I'm gonna call her a woman. You get me? And even with Jacob, it was, he went looking for a wife. And first, beautiful cat him say, he was like, yo, that pum pum yama want married. But this is what God did. God made him marry, so now I get what Jody's saying. God made him marry somebody, not God, but his uncle with his tricking ways got him to marry the ugly one, or the not so pretty one, Leah. And though Leah was not the pretty one, she was the one who gave him like the most kids, because she bore his first children. So I understand what Jody was saying now is sometimes you find yourself in a relationship where probably it's not what you really wanted, but it serves a purpose in your life and you grow into it and accepting it. So I get Jody taught me something. I just got the connection.
How we know if it's God or not? That's a good question.
I believe that some things God just don't put together. God, you ever feel like say, I don't know, what we use to determine if it's God or not, we always use the good things. You know, like we say, I must God do this, but
It doesn't necessarily have to be God.
yeah. And then everything bad we associate it with the devil.
Yeah, man.
No, sir, where the devil are trying me.
That's true.
And it comes in reality, even people they hear now when something happen, we say, if something bad happen, we say, must the devil, like, we're not going to say a God.
That's true.
So it comes the same with relationships, you know, if you meet a nice guy or so, you're going to say, no man, God bless you, or God send that one here.
That's not true because you know what? Other day, God bless me, swear God bless
Yeah, when I don't get me to finish, yeah, when I just meet him and you think same nice, you say, must God send that one here? And you say, oh God, you know, he bless you. And then,
the blessing is a curse.
when you realize that wasn't the true person, that sometimes they mislead themselves. And you realize that this was a God.
Right.
And the devil sent one person them to come test my faith.
That's true.
You understand? So at first you would say, yes, it's God because it looks like the ideal time, and you say, it's coming the right time, but then you never get to know him yet. But upon getting to know him, you find out, say, no sir, I the devil really send you. So sometimes we find out late, say, a God. Yeah, or late, say the other way around. Yeah. So, yeah, that's what I use personally. Not saying that it's always accurate.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I mean, seeing the person in their worst, at their worst, I think it's a good indication for me to know if this is the one I'm supposed to do.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, I said, from the time we've been dating, I've never seen him upset. He's never said anything back to me, or, I mean, you just want to see the person at their worst.
Me too, me want to see them at
Yeah, when you know.
You don't want to push them to their worst, you know, but you just want to see them. It's like, have you ever met a friend when you guys are together, they're really cool, but then you see them outside of the element and they don't know you're watching, you're like, so they did see you?
Yeah.
You just want to see them like outside of you know, the safe zone to see, who's this person, what's the real
outside of the
character?
happy zone.
Yeah. You know, like, oh,
Like you want to get a bit of everything. Depressed mode, happy mode,
you can know you can manage,
mode.
absolutely.
Yeah, every little.
I think, yeah, we should do that in relationships, definitely.
It's okay how you ever do it. You have to just watch and
you take the
you'll
time.
be around for some time.
And take heed, I have sense, I have wisdom. Read Proverbs.
Understanding.
Wisdom and understanding, females. Like if you talk to you too hard, just take the time and say, no man, you can't get this hard. You can't talk. Wait, first of all, why do I feel these eyes on me like me never take me? I took heed.
I'm an ear, she said, read Proverbs. I said, hey.
Alright guys, we're at the bowling alley. So no, we're doing video. Hi, welcome back. We are now in studio. Well, in my living room. But we can't call it that. Okay, so what can happen when I want to fart? Like I just did it. I'm nervous.
You can't do this.
Alright, let's just hope it next.
Where may I take my plate from?
You know, say, me, I get it.
You don't smell no way, don't try to smell it. Just come up your nose with your ear. MukBang don't really start dishing out the food, but we are just getting it. Yo, listen, fam, I am hungry. What time is it now? It's 12:27. Fam, I'm hungry.
AM, guys, not in the afternoon. So when you not get no, like, serious?
Alright, so
Alright.
Janelle, let me
Yeah, Janelle will like you that one, yeah? So this is Janelle. She's INSTA-LESS. This is Jamaica being a follow. She is a relationship coach.
TV full.
You can find her at TB Full. This is Insta Shops. This is Jody. Her Instagram name is Jojmal. And this is Lamoya. She also has a YouTube channel. Check it out. What's the name of her YouTube channel? Life of Lammy. Life of Lammy.
Wow, that's crazy, bro. Seriously, somebody don't know about
I was going to get you could just alone for done. You never remember nothing.
You never remember this actually has a YouTube channel, guys.
I was going to put it here.
You hope this now change my nail color because we just get mad.
Alright guys, so we're going to talk about penis, we're going to talk about men, we're going to talk about women, we're going to talk about Instagram models, hot topics. Wait, what's supposed to say over there? Oh, she can't manage the penis. You can't manage body. Alright guys, so all of us here are Christians. Please keep that in mind. We are the real Christians, not the sugarcoat Holy Ghost. You sure? No, we all have Holy Ghost, but we just have to like we not put on for nobody. We're gonna know about nobody here but me. I don't put on for nobody. Period.
Me?
So
I have no time to put on. No, but my clothes.
I have to put on.
Why I was at the calf?
Lamoya, I love you one more time. May I them a Twitch the way they get funny. So me not funny?
I like clothes.
You know you don't like clothes, I don't understand why, but okay. Yeah, it makes a good wife. I'm gonna try something, I'm gonna be a good wife.
Gina has not said anything.
Did I be a one? You know, so the side when they run deep.
Hey!
And that one in a bad one. Yes! We're like a Twitch.
I was actually going to say about it. That's great.
What's that? She's the holy sanctified one. She's only here for the food. You try give me this oil for y'all. All of it, coming from my money bag.
Here you go. It's collected.
The liberty company. Right? No, wait. Fight him, yeah. Sure. No, she not participate. She not talk. Like, how you get the meat out of the leg then?
By cracking.
No, girl, you didn't get the meat out of the leg here. You don't.
Yo, me ask me, no off eat crab.
When I suck it out,
that's how much I eat.
No more.
You like it?
Oh, you eat it, Jody. Oh, you eat it. But Janelle, hold on, Janelle, bad pan cracking and sucking sitting, you know? Like all of her shells are so clean. That's what I have all the years.
So what are we going to talk about, guys?
First, the struggles of being a Christian.
How about we talk about loving God first?
God is great.
Yeah, how about we start there?
Alright, go ahead and talk now. You're ready.
Yeah, because we can't make it look all that bad. There's some perks to it. God is good. What do you mean there's... Well,
comfort.
Yeah, like, yeah.
No, like, but it's not all glitter and gold.
We know that.
That's true. And
there's a lot of perks to it.
Yeah, but people already know the perks. Exactly. No one really talks about the real struggles, so... Yeah, but and then again, a lot of people always expect that, okay, we're supposed to be perfect too. And that's not true. Exactly. Mama, like probably good.
Oh, yeah, buy this. Oh, big up. What do you mean? Should we pick them up? Are they deserving? Oh, we didn't die there, so we don't know them customer service. Yeah. But them never did bad.
Yeah, I think it was good because the girl actually went on the road and get it to us very quickly.
But the shopper was actually a staff there.
Hey.
No customer service. So the girl comes to shop over.
Oh, took up a water.
So girl, but
I was in a full black.
She in full black and she have a funny pack on her side.
But she had on her shorts.
The girl never done pre that. And girl, shorts are full some place.
Yeah.
So the girl was like, I don't know what she said. Shopper was saying,
no, just say, can I just order 2 water, please?
Chop water.
Well, sure.
No, me look like work here.
Stop.
Really? Seriously. Me never answer. Seriously.
Check out from the head to toe. I look like my work here?
Just like that.
I didn't do that.
No, but your girl just said, darling, I don't work. No.
I looked at myself. I'm looking at myself. I was a wicked girl.
I look like I work here. That's what I said. No, you have to look like more. And that's such a steal. Or if I tell your story and pass over your that's such an always one. That's so quiet over there.
Guys, why are you eating them parts here now? This is a struggle.
So, we just eat it. Pop the leg.
Pop the leg.
Open it.
Go there, pro mom. What are they in there?
Look like one set of something in there. You got crack down back that up. Just crack it.
Don't get any. Guys, no, we don't talk about Jesus now.
Yes. Loving God. Loving God. That's what I'm saying.
Listen. Sorry. You know when me pray? It's a God. Help me to love you. Because if you know a little piece of the word, you know say if you love God,
You'll be.
yeah, man, boy. Sometimes it's rough in the Gideon. So I don't say, oh Lord, you know when them say something sweet to God, I don't say, oh Jesus, I love you. I say, no, God help me feel love you. I've never practiced my. Are you listening to me?
Now I know who you talk to.
But I'm supposed to be listening.
Alright. That's true.
Oh my God. So yeah, I don't practice to say, oh Lord, I love you. Because, but it's just.
What?
It's just facts. No, but it
You know what she said? Jesus.
What about you just said?
This is
if
her
you love
approach.
God, you follow Him commandments.
That's Bible.
Yes, so.
Sometimes you don't really follow him command.
Some men love Him, apparently, biblically. You understand?
Right after that.
But just always pray, say, help me for love Him.
So that you can follow.